Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. For today's video, we will be talking on how to create a Facebook ad campaign, and primarily we will be using these three different tools. First one is the Ads Manager of Meta. The next one is Canva for graphics, and we will use also the Simplified to create a ad caption, ad headline, and so on. So let's dive in. So first and foremost, please go to the Facebook that go to the business.facebook.com. Okay, this is the interface. So basically, this is the interface that I have here. So you can go to the all tools. After that, okay, click the all tools and then go to the ads manager here. So make sure you click that one. Okay, so we are now in the ads manager. Okay, so in this case I'll be using this sample ad account. Make sure it is fully funded and it has already a funds for ads. It could be through credit card, or in the Philippine setting you can use GCash or any other payment method that the Facebook allows us to. First is create a campaign, and by the way, in order to create a campaign we have to understand that there will be three main structure in the Facebook campaign. The first one, at the top one, is the campaign level. The second component of the campaign is the ad sets level, and the third and the last one is the ads. So basically the campaign is covering all the ad sets, and each ad set has a corresponding ads, okay, advertisement creatives. So make sure that you are in the campaign level. Once you hit the create button here, so click that one, and then as you can see there are different channels. There are times that you can see a different dashboard or a different presentation after you click the create, but the idea is the same, so bear with me with this. So say for example, we will be doing a e-commerce traffic to website campaign or a traffic to messenger. We can do a engagement for that specific purpose. As you can see here, there's messages, video views, and post engagement. For leads, it's a campaign that collect leads. Usually it will be good for instant forms, messages as well, calls, or sign-ups if you have a landing page. App promotion, if you have apps using iOS or Play Store, you can also promote your app using the ads manager or using Facebook. So this is the specific campaign that you should go to if you want to promote the the app that you want. And then sales, of course, about conversion, catalog sales, and messages. Usually this is applicable if you have a shop on your Facebook page. We have also here the traffic, good for link clicks, our landing page views, and also awareness. It's the, if you want to make your brand reach a lot of people and you're still starting, basically you can do a brand awareness campaign, good for reach and video views and brand awareness. Okay, so for this example we will be doing engagement, which is I want to chat with people who is interested with my ad, so or of the things that I'm selling. So I will be choosing the messages, so I want to chat those people. So let's click that one and then make sure you hit this one. This is for the rainy, this is just for the naming purposes. Okay, say let's say we are selling t-shirts, right? T-shirt, um, say 100, oh no, it's like 10% discount. Okay, discount there. Then name, usually I name the ad set by audience. So interest, okay, in t-shirt. All right. And then let's say my audience age range is about 18 to 29, perhaps 28, and location, of course, like Philippines. All right. Okay. In the ad, this is one version of the ad, so I'll just name that one as ad test 1. Later on, I will duplicate the ad because I want to test different ad creatives. So I'll just name that one as ad test 1, and then later on I will duplicate this one, and it will be under this ad set. Okay, so let me hit continue and let it load. Okay, perfect. Let's get it on. All right. So as you can see here, we have special ad categories. The special ad categories usually it concerns with the credit, employment, housing, and politics. So we are not concerned about that on this ad, so that's fine. Buying type, of course, we'll just do auction by default. Engagement, yep, that's the campaign objective that we just click. And then there are actually two types of testing here. You can use campaign budget optimization or A/B testing. In my experience, I use campaign budget optimization because you can manually turn off and on the different types of creatives or um, the different audiences or ad set, and basically you can decide on your own. You can just turn off the other and then let the winning audience or winning ad set and ad run all throughout the specific period of time, because basically you just decided because of a certain metric, considering a certain metric like cost per result. If it has a lower cost per result, well, definitely you get a lot of results, which is in our case our result that we want is messages, inbox messenger, right? So with that in mind, once you get it, then basically you can just turn off the other variables and then run the specific ad set and ads all throughout on a specific time range. So I'll just turn this one on, but you can try A/B test. But in my experience, it's more um, it's more costly. Okay, let's hit next. And then as you can see here, I'm in a ad set level now. So this is the name of my ad set, and you can create template if you want to make this one your template, your settings here. So let's cascade the settings here, and I will explain as simple as possible. So make sure you are in a messaging apps, not on your ad website or app, because our concern or our goal is to bring more people on the inbox of the page. And then of course here, make sure you are in a click to message, and then in the messenger you can also do Instagram. Okay, you can also do Instagram. Okay, if you have an Instagram, you can also do WhatsApp if you have a WhatsApp account. But let's make this one simple. Let's do messenger, that's the common one. And make sure you are going to choose the right page. So in my case, let's see here, I will use our official page here, but I will not publish the campaign because it will run and it will be spending money, right? So I'll just use this one for presentation purposes. And conversation, you can do conversation, not link clicks, okay, but will deliver your ad to people most likely to have a conversation. That's our goal, right? So that's fine. Okay, and now here, set the start date. In my case, I will start at one tomorrow, Manila time. Let's say 6 a.m. And then I can also set the end date here. I'll just run my ad up to 31st, maybe 11 p.m. So it doesn't matter because this is an ad. Facebook or the Meta um, will just do the algorithm. Will just do its operation, which is the best time to make your ad shown to the feed or to the different placement. So just put a time range there and a schedule, and then let Facebook do the work automatically. And then it will be showed to the people that you will be targeting. So yeah, this is fine. This is very critical here, so make sure that you are going to target the right people. So okay, so let's see. Locations, people living in or recently in this location. I don't want to target people who are just traveling or recently traveling in the Philippines, so I will use people living in location, and then Philippines, that's fine. And then our age, I think it was 18 to 28. So let me have it here, 18 to 28, and that's our target audience. So make sure that you mind the numbers here. So 38 million, I think that's too broad still. Detailed expansion, I will turn that off. I don't want to expand my audience. I'm not even yet doing inputs on the interest, behavior, and demographics. So first one is I will be doing some keyword input here, interest input, which is connected or related to our t-shirt brand or t-shirt product. So let's say t-shirt. Let's try to check if it's available. T-shirt, couple t-shirt. What else? Okay. I'm thinking if we can do a branding of t-shirt. Let's say cryptocurrency t-shirt. Like I don't know if there's a cryptocurrency here. Okay. So it's not available. So we can do business t-shirt perhaps. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. I think that's fine. Let's see here. So imagine I will be selling business related t-shirts. So I will be that one. So that means I'll be targeting people who are interested with t-shirt. The kicker here is there's a function here, narrow audience. So that means I can target actually people who are interested both t-shirt or couple t-shirt or this one, generally t-shirts. And I'll be targeting the second group is I'll be targeting like business. They should be they should be interested with business, right? Or entrepreneurship. Okay. So what we just did is we will be targeting people who is interested with t-shirt at the same time they're interested in business. So my t-shirt product will be like a quote about business or a business related t-shirt, something like that. All right. So you can add more interest here. Um, let's see if we can do a demographic. So you can actually browse if you want to explore more. We have here demographics, financials, parents, relationship. We have also more interest here, business industry. We can do this one. Okay, that's fine. It's already there. Entrepreneurship, marketing, perhaps. Okay, digital marketing. Okay. All right. So I think that's fine. And as you can see there, out of 38 million a while ago, we are now down to 9.8 million. estimated audience size, it's not the actual audience that our ad can reach, but it is just the audience size, right? So it depends on the budget how much we're going to pour in order to show our ad to these people, which is we define it here, very targeted and laser focus. And you can save that, but I will not save that one. And in my case, for placement, by the way, just to give you an idea what is placement is the real estate of the platform. So say the real estate, the advertising real estate of the platform. So basically, you can put ad in different placement. In Facebook, we have different placements here. First one is on the news feed of the Facebook, Instagram feed, marketplace, um, in stories. Okay, so these are the different placements. As you can see, Facebook are not just showing on two or three placement. Facebook is not just showing ads on those placement, but it is showing different ads on these placements. There's a lot, but these placements, some of the placements are not that really, useful in terms of campaign that we're gonna run. So I will just turn off some of the placement here. First one is perhaps we can actually turn that off. I don't want to, this is an in-stream video. I don't want to disturb my audience about the promotion while they're watching video. Search, that's fine. In article, we don't use this one. Okay, and app and size. So I'm not actually like, we don't want to show our ad on different apps or sites that is that is related to Facebook, okay, or affiliated to Facebook. So that's fine there. I think that's okay and good. And after that, you hit the next. Now, as you can see here, I am now at the lower part, which is the ad. Okay. Make sure. Okay. I'm creating an ad here. In this part, we will be doing the primary text, or this is most commonly known as caption. We have also a headline here, maybe discount or catchy word that will, you know, track attention. Description, this is optional, and we have here the call to action button, and of course the auto reply. We can do the auto reply here. If you have a website, then you can do you can actually set up a website tracking here, like Facebook pixel, so you can do that one. I think that's fine. So let's try to fill this up. Primary text. So I have here a tool called simplified.co. So what we're going to do is we'll be using an AI writer. So, and we want to have like short form assistant, and maybe we can do social media ad. Let's say here Facebook headline. Okay, and output language is English. Company brand name, inside t-shirt. All right. Okay. T-shirts for business man and entrepreneur. All right, let's do that one. And okay, let's do that one. And let's click generate. Let's see what would be the best result. That's for the Facebook headline. Make your professional look even better with our unique style t-shirt. The perfect gift for your business professional. Wear your success with pride. Okay. Well, let's do that one, right? So let's make it simple. That's for the headline. You can actually input two headlines here. So this is from the simplify.co. This is from me, 10% discount. Uh, T-shirt. Okay, it's like unique. There you go. Let's do that one. Hmm. Okay, so I think we're good. Um, we will try to use the creative tool that we have here. It's called Canva. So I'll be creating a sample. This is the dashboard. So I'll be creating a Facebook post or Facebook ad. The good thing about this one is you can actually type and search the best template that is suitable for our campaign. So in my case, I will just use the Facebook ad. It will be a landscape, so I'll do that one. You can also use Square or Facebook post. It depends. Actually, the concern about the landscape is in stories. Remember, we have a different placement like stories, Facebook stories, Instagram stories, and Messenger stories. The the concern is if you are going to use this landscape dimension, it's not suitable for that placement. So I will change my mind. I'll just use Facebook or maybe Instagram post, which is square 80 by 80 pixels. So I'll do that one. And then yeah, that's the canvas there. Let's say we have templates. Let's see, t-shirt design. Okay. So remember, we have a pro version here of this template. So my account is new, or I mean my account is free. So you can try Canva Pro, or you can buy it for 650 pesos, I guess. So for this one, I'll just use the free. Okay, we can use this one. This is nice. Um, you can actually have like a colorful, you know. Uh, mhm, mhm. So in my case, perhaps I'll use this one. So it's like slideshow, or the thing is it has a pro version here. To remove the watermark, we have to subscribe in the pro version. So that's one thing there. Mm, Pretty much limited if you have a free account, but there are a lot of options here, so bear with me. Wait, hang on. I'll just add a new version and I'll delete that one and this one. Okay, yeah, that's sleek, right? But this is not t-shirt, so maybe we can do a t-shirt design. What this one? The t-shirt. This one is also fine. Or this one. Hmm. What we can do is we can actually oops. So it doesn't allow us because we are not in the pro version, so bear with me with this. Mhm. Okay, so if you cannot see a very good template, well, you can actually create yours. So I'll do images. Okay, so click more and then photos, t-shirt. There you go. So I'll just delete that one, and maybe we can do. Okay, I'm looking for a free one. Gosh. Hmm. It's really difficult. It's difficult if you are in a free version. So okay, let's do that one. Okay, and click T for text, and then you know you can use this one or um, yeah, writer code. I'm not sure if there's a code here. Oh, we have here. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Set back and wait for the action. Mm-hmm. Hmm. The thing is, it can generate creative as well. Okay. We can use this one perhaps. And I will adjust that one. Then okay, let's do that one. Okay. Okay. And let's do the 10% discount here and okay. I think that's fine. That's for just a lecture purposes. So I'm gonna download this one. So in order to download this creative, you have to click share here and then click download, and in this case I'll just use the PNG version. Okay, and make sure that you're gonna choose this page only, and yeah, we're good. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna use this one, and I think we're good. I'll be using that one, that creative. So we have the primer. We don't yet have a primer text, so we'll have that one here using this AI tool that we have. Okay, social media and ads. Facebook ad primary text. Okay, that's fine. Um, inside. Okay, T-shirt or what? Let's do that one. Mm-hmm. So there's a lot here. So guys, you can. mm, So you have three versions here. So actually, we can use these three version. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna duplicate this ad. So I will be having like two more tests, test one, test two, and test three. We will run it together. We will start it, um, and then we will test it for a couple of days. So that's how it works. You're gonna test it for a couple of days, and after that, once you see the results, some stats, and then if you can decide from those numbers which is better ad creative or better version of caption, then you're just gonna turn off the other non performing well creatives. So first I had to input first the image. Let's do the upload here and downloads. Let's see. Okay, this is the creatives that we just created, and then let's wait it to load. Click that one and then hit next. So as you can see, it's pretty slick. That's fine. hmm And there we have different placement, and we just leave as is. Primary text. I'm just gonna copy this one. Of course, you have to check as well the grammar and some things that you want to modify. That's fine. Okay. Primary text and link. Make sure you can put the link here. It could be the link of your messenger or the link of your website. But in our case, we want to drive traffic from Facebook ad or from the placement to the inbox. So we will be getting the inbox or the messages. So what link should I put on there? It should be actually the link of the Facebook page, not the Facebook page profile, but the okay. Let's do this one. I'm using the Insights Facebook page here, so I'm going to get the okay, I'm going to get here. Mhm. Here, copy link, and go. Make sure to put the triple W, and yeah, that's it. I think we're good. As you can see, we have there creatives, we have the headline, we have also the caption here, and then the link, and then the call to action. Now, as you can see, in the headline, we can actually delete this one, or the thing is, it has a two version here. We can put five, and then it allows Facebook to play with this creative, changing the headline and then testing it with different people. And then once Facebook will see the best performing headline or this variable, so it will be shown all throughout. So we have a two variable here of headlines. We will just leave as is, I guess. I think we're good, and yeah, so let's publish it one. We're now publishing all settings that we just did, from the campaign, ad set level, and then creative. Now I will be duplicating the ad creative. So make sure you're in original campaign, And then remember, I'm gonna add more too, because I have um, more. I have like, okay, I'll name this one 2, and this one here, I'll name this one as 3, and I'll just gonna copy this one, of course. So let's go on the add set or add test 2, and I'm gonna, yep, perfect. Okay, so as you can see, we're now changing, and the third one, the last one is this one here. Okay, and yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. But by the way, this is just a a rundown of technicalities of Facebook or Meta ad. So in reality, I usually spend like 4 hours minimum setting up the whole campaign, duplicating audiences, duplicating ads, and optimizing the campaign. So and also the creative, it will take you time a lot. So make sure if you want to create more ads, make sure you need to consider everything and the settings. And by the way, before I forget, you can create, and this is actually the auto reply, and you can do some quick reply here, and you can test, and you can input some auto reply as well. You can also do buttons. Okay, so you can see that's the button there. Okay, or you can do none. That's for the auto reply of the messenger, because we are choosing the messenger or messages goal, correct? So that's the destination preview after the audience will click the call to action. All right, so that's pretty much it, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Ciao.